But hi guys, Stephen I Ford from I Ford Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. Today what we have is what it's called a DeFi mining pool, and it's basically operated on an app such as Trust Wallet or any other wallet that holds cryptocurrencies. But in this case, we're going to do this with Trust Wallet. So, and this has basically been provided by Binance, and Binance is one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchange, or the other word, cryptocurrency bank. So bear with me as I show you how the process goes. So I'm going to open up my Trust Wallet, and okay, here we go. We're right into it. Now, basically, when you come into your wallet, your Trust Wallet, you're in this area. So the area that we're going to go into is called Browser. If you click on Browser, and already I've got this particular app that's already loaded into my browser search engine. So I'm just going to click on it. It will take us straight to that page. Cloud mining. Now, what's important is you just need to come in, log in, or join Trust Wallet. And I'm going to show you through a process to make sure that when you do come into these DeFi mining apps, that you go through with the people who knows what they're doing. So let me take you through that process. Now, in WhatsApp, you're going to be introduced by the people that's operating this app. On Trust Wallet, these people here, they will want you to join WhatsApp. WhatsApp is an app where they're going to teach you, and more importantly, they're going to give you a free $10 BNB to start your process. Now, if you're really into DeFi mining pool, then Trust App and Binance, and I think Binance at this stage owns Trust Wallet, so they're using the wallet as part of their mining pool process. Now, once you join WhatsApp app group called Binance Community, and this one is Binance New Zealand, so of course, they were going to teach you then how to go through the process. The admin will also give you a free BNB to activate your account. Then the rest will guide you through the process. And that's pretty easy. And every day, you come in and just check what the information, or you can ask the admin what it is needed from your end. And if you're really into mining pool, then this is probably could be for you. And they also give you the rates. Hold on, I don't know what the rates is yet. Let me, this could be the rates. Let me open it up. Okay. These are the rates that's available at this point of time. Okay, so look through it. So far, it's one of the most sensible and safe mining pool that's on offer. And that's what I can only offer you at this point of time. Now go through the first stage. And the first stage is, of course, download Trust app onto your browser. And you should be able to get from there. Now, once you're in there, once you're in the mining app, or you can go in to join also WhatsApp and look up what we have here. Or it could be a link from the Trust app to link you back into WhatsApp, where all the processes will be explained to you on a daily basis. Okay, so if you're really into getting some more money from cryptocurrencies, then perhaps utilizing DeFi mining pool is probably one of those areas. So look into it. But if you have any hassle, you just need to buzz me and I'll walk you through it also myself. But the admin on WhatsApp should be able to explain to you. And hold on, the girl's name is Dana, and you can also have a private message with Dana instead of the group message, and she will direct you one-to-one. And that's one of the beauty of this process. But anyway, if you have any questions, just hit me back. Find me on Facebook, or I'm sure you'll find this on Facebook, or WhatsApp me, and I'll explain a little bit more. But anyway, this is Stephen Arford from Arford Fortune as we look forward to Christmas that's coming up next month. Wish you all well. And we love you at this point of time. God loves you. We'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.